Welcome back to VXN Cars. The 2026 Honda HR-V marks a confident and refined step forward in Honda's compact SUV lineup. It's designed for drivers who value a perfect balance of style, practicality, and everyday comfort. With this new generation, Honda continues to strengthen the HR-V's reputation as a dependable crossover that fits a wide range of lifestyles. It's a city-friendly vehicle with the heart to handle longer weekend trips effortlessly. Inspired by the larger Honda CR, the HR-V keeps its compact proportions, making it easy to drive through crowded streets, navigate tight parking spots, and glide through suburban areas. Every element of the 2026 model reflects Honda's dedication to refinement, visibility, and simplicity in driving. This SUV isn't built for speed or thrill, it's built for reliability, comfort, and the kind of stability that makes every drive stress-free. Pricing for the 2026 Honda HR-V starts at $27,595 and goes up to $31,445, depending on trim and options. The Sport trim remains a customer favorite, offering the perfect combination of value and style. It features heated front seats, a 6-speaker audio system, remote engine start, and keyless entry for extra convenience. The Sport model's 18-inch black alloy wheels and sporty design give it a bold look while keeping the price under $30,000. For those who want more control and traction, all-wheel drive is available for an additional $1,500. Adding confidence on rough or slippery roads, the 2026 HR-V introduces several upgrades that enhance everyday life. Every model now comes with a 9-inch touchscreen display featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a wireless charging pad to keep your devices ready to go. The base LX trim adds rear privacy glass for a more premium touch, while the top XL model includes new 18-inch wheels, silver steering wheel accents, illuminated climate knobs, and soft footwell lighting for a more elegant feel. Honda has also expanded color choices, offering two new paint options, Boost Blue Pearl and Solar Reflection Metallic, giving the HR-V a fresher, more modern vibe. The Sport trim adds glossy black badging on the tailgate, reinforcing its athletic and youthful personality under the hood. The 2026 HR-V is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission. It produces 158 horsepower, focusing on smooth performance and long-term dependability rather than raw power. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 9.4 seconds, while rivals like the Mazda CX-30 and Hyundai Kona offer turbocharged engines. The HR-V stands out for its quiet ride, refined comfort, and impressive fuel economy. Front-wheel drive models achieve about 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 on the highway, while all-wheel drive versions deliver 25 city and 30 highway. Inside, the HR-V feels clean, modern, and functional. Much like the Honda Civic, it offers intuitive controls, great visibility, and generous cargo space. You can fit up to 7 suitcases behind the rear seats, and as many as 22 with them folded down. Overall, the 2026 Honda HR-V continues to be one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs on the market. It's not about showing off, it's about dependable performance, everyday comfort, and the kind of quiet confidence that defines a true Honda.